Just a few meters from Fatoumata Ouattara's home, a mass grave. Fatoumata's husband is among the dozens of bodies buried here. She says they were killed by fighters loyal to the former president Laurent Gbagbo. They lived on the wrong side of Abidjan, in an area known for voting for Gbagbo's rival, the current president Alassane Ouattara.
Whatever happens to Laurent Gbagbo, it will not bring my husband back to life. But I hope the court will sentence him so that he can understand what it is like to suffer.
After refusing to give up power following last year's presidential election, Laurent Gbagbo's forces were accused of triggering a wave of violence, where 3,000 people lost their lives. What happened in this part of Abidjan we brought as evidence against Laurent Gbagbo at The Hague. But crimes were committed on both sides. And there are some who believe that President Alassane Ouattara and his supporters should also be investigated and brought to justice. The International Criminal Court insists all those involved will be prosecuted. But for those loyal to Laurent Gbagbo, this is just one big conspiracy.
C'est-à-dire moralement blessé par une injustice.
Our feelings are deeply hurt. This is a serious injustice for someone who fought for democracy for 30 years. Laurent Gbagbo has never been a criminal.
Laurent Gbagbo's party says it will be boycotting Sunday's parliamentary election. Ouattara's coalition is expected to win comfortably. His candidates are riding high on promises of prosperity for Ivory Coast and this message for the former president.
No one is above the law. When you are a leader, you must act in the interest of the population. And understand, you may be in power today, but tomorrow you are in opposition.
A year on from a conflict that almost tore the country apart, life is getting back to normal. Living standards are said to be improving, but many of Laurent Gbagbo's supporters have had to go into hiding or leave the country. There is talk of reconciliation and Laurent Gbagbo may be gone, but this remains a very divided nation. Nazanine Moshiri, Al Jazeera, Abidjan.